Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful afternoon. So, welcome to this video where we are going to explore 2D and 3D shapes. So, remember, 2D means two dimensions, yes, and 3D, three dimensions. So, what are the 2D? Well, the two dimensions here are height and length, but the 3D shapes, they have height as well, length as well, but there is an extra one, which is the white. So that extra dimension makes them different to the 2D shapes, okay? So here I'm going to show you some of the 2D shapes that we have worked in the classes, like circle, triangle, rectangle, square, pentagon, rhombus, trapezoid, hexagon, octagon, and oval. All these are examples of 2D shapes. 2D shapes or plane shapes, okay? 2D shapes or plane shapes. So now here are some of the 3D shapes that we have seen in the classroom as well. So we have the cube, pyramid, sphere, cylinder, cone, triangular prism, cuboid, hexagonal prism, and as you can see, there are many of these shapes whatever you look at. So there are some similarities between the 2D shapes and the 3D shapes, but still they are different. So as you can see, the circle looks like the top of the cylinder. The square looks like one of the faces of the cube, and the rectangle looks like one of the faces of the cuboid. Still, they are different. Okay, now we're going to have a quick activity. Yes, it is called Look Around Your House. Okay, so on a piece of paper, I want you to draw this T chart. Yes, I want you to draw it on a piece of paper, and on the left side, we're going to write 2D shapes, and on the right side, we're going to write 3D shapes. Okay, so when you do that, you write circles, squares, triangles, rectangles on the 2D shape side. And on the 3D shape side, you write spheres, cubes, pyramids, and cuboids. Okay, so your task is to go around your house, and if you see a circle, then you write it. Yes? If you see a circle, you write it. If you see a sphere, you write it. For example, if you see a soccer ball, it's a sphere, so you write it here. If you see a cube, yes, then you write it here. If you see a pyramid, you write it here. If you see a cuboid, you write it here. Okay? So let's see how many you can get. Okay? You can write as many as you can find in your house. Okay? So we're going to be waiting this in ClasseWeb. So please make sure you do it and you upload it in ClasseWeb. Okay? So have a very good day and remember, shapes are everywhere. Thank you.